Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
To the state. We present to you a visual compilation of it, encompassing people's aspirations, hopes and dreams.
Kulis buat ni pik baik baik khawar Antor News, khawar Antor News sudah mentah ni apa panyut hotel. Kabari kesini kabar kerapang namta ka seng TMC nanti kami kelihatan nomor kongres badang mentan Jepang kadang dap pelong yang kejeng lang jongka ringkat berkilap thai khabar ban pernah pai ba ya ki kat tu kat ni kimat jalap election ni kejongka leni kata ki manifesto hakan ni ka jingalang kebala khot dak meklia trimul kongres yang belawan semata du sekretari jongka AITC abisik ban energy belawan yuk kejat ni hapo selong payut ban kendu ban pernah ya kata kimat yalap election bat kinong rim jongka seng TMC siapa kan lek sakal election arjar apply ka arfnyo tu jong ubnai rempang arjar apply te hang ni kinu kat tu ni kimat coba ke ni ka seng TMC ka mara sigi pai ba bagi tu bantip ya ka kinong rim ba kan ni ka seng TMC ka yang bat ka wanra penyalap election kita kilong ni sepau tu kita kimat kita kilong kum ka sincar khadar ha kayok kot kayok kam yok jam bat kejim pungkup buat di samla bat kham tam ban kham kentiu ya kinong rep bat wanra ya koroi kapar ha bari ya kisurok bat man penek pensa ya kejinglong tenrai jong kajai benriu ha kejalam kira kasih garo bat jantia kumju ban wanra ru ya kita kimat bukongsan ha bari ban kentiu ya kepuli dengli ha kejala bat kham tam susu bakon rak kalong kuno dikalat ban sengkam sengjam ya kisamlah ha ni kejuk mentah tena kali yang TMC ha kejinglam jong abisik banerji kum sekretari bat doktor mukul semua boleh unong ilam kali yang persia ha kajala jingi ya kabala dalang buat Charles pengrup boleh presiden jong ka meklia TMC ubal ai kendiat kimat bat ki nongrim jong kaseng bakadan nam tak ni election mentang nyapai kendiat ya kejingnya tu jong doktor mukul sama bat Charles Podo bat abisik manerji kuli sibun nak liang khabar Antor News.
We fulfill those promises once we get mandate. Therefore, these promises that we have made is bound to be the promises that we will be implementing without doubt. So to all our friends and comrades belonging to other political parties who doubt our sincerity and commitment and competence and capacity to implement them, I will tell them to join us. We will show them how we implement these programs, how we implement these promises, how we fulfill these promises. I have reasons to believe that all our friends belonging to other political party must have been taken by surprise as to how we are going to, how we have been able to rather capture the needs of the people and to project the programs befitting to the aspirations of our people. So with all the support that the people have, the trust and confidence, it gives us the inspiration and motivation.
Rupees annual financial assistance to all farmers in the state through the introduction of the new scheme which will go by the name of FARM, F-A-R-M. And what does FARM stands for? Farmers Assistance for Rural Meghalaya. Under this scheme, I again reiterate, a financial assistance of 10,000 annually will be extended to 2,10,000 farmers registered in the state, irrespective of their land holding. The total budget proposed for this scheme, if all the farmers of this state avail it, will stand at 85 crore rupees only. Farm centers in all districts of the state for one-stop assistance to the farmers from productions to sales. Farm crop insurance policies covering all crops, including horticulture crops, to ensure zero loss to the farmers. Our next pledge is holistic healthcare for all. Now, under holistic healthcare for all, we will ensure that maternal and child care centers in every block to provide efficient prenatal and postnatal services. Shortage of specialist staff and equipments to be bridged at all PHCs and CHCs in the state to make them at least 100% functional in the days to come. Currently, you know that there are only 28 CHCs against the requirement of 41 CHCs. Residents in border villages and border MOUs signed with the government of Assam will be revoked. So these are the 10 pledges that we make before you, and we want to assure you that all these 10 pledges will be honored as and when TMC forms the government on the 2nd of March, when the results come out and the state is ready to welcome a change with open arms.